we have Mr. Nfamara Keita. So he is from Gambia. So he is a public health professional with over 15 years experience in implementing diverse public health programs and interventions in Africa. So he has over 10 years experience with Military of Health of Gambia. So from 2016 to July 2019, he worked with Site Sabers, the Gambia country officers, as programs officer for neglected tropical diseases. So in this role, he supports the Ministry of Health to plan, implement, monitor, and evaluate public health interventions directed at the elimination of neglected tropical diseases like soil transmitted health means. So he is currently working with WHO Global Polio Eradication Program in Somalia as a field epidemiologist, where he supports Somalian Ministry of Health and WHO expanded program on immunization to eradicate polio and eliminate measles. So strengthen vaccine preventable diseases surveillance, routine immunization, supplementary immunization activities, and build the capacity of health workers. So besides his academic achievements is like, Nfamara is an alumnus of Medalita Washington Fellowship and the West African Health Organization and Fellowship Program. So he also certificate in public health management from the West African Organization. So yes, so Nfamara Keita, few words for Texila American University.
It's a honor, actually. At the moment, I have completed my MPH in Masters in Public Health. And received my certificate in the Gambia. Yeah. And one thing I have realized is that this program, I would be here this year. Okay. That time would have gone on, and the resources that I have spent there, those resources would have been spent in another place that I would not have realized that I have spent those resources there. I would not have seen anything that I have achieved. Okay. And I think it is an opportunity also, while working, implementing public health interventions in disadvantaged communities, and at the same time you are doing your program, whereas the program asks you to one thing I enjoyed about Texila, like in the assignment writing, the contextual project, to about relation to that particular course. So I really enjoyed that. I think it was a very important approach. And also with regards to referrals, later in my program, the financial burden was actually set off because of the referral program I was involved in. Because I also... That's wonderful. That's wonderful. So Nfamara, just a minute. So student, I have just enabled the poll that has been launched now. Please fill your polling. Yes. Yeah, Nfamara, you can just continue. Sorry for the interruption. Yes, I said during the second, when I actually started, as it was said by my colleagues earlier, the issue of financial burden was actually, I was relieved with regards to that, because so one thing, Nfamara, I just wanted to ask you, like, how do you get the students from out of your country? Because I can see all your referrals will be out of your country, because since you are in Gambia, so I just wanted to know how you get the students out of the country. So you have various friends in other countries as well. I out of the Gambia, from Sierra Leone. I think you are aware of the guy.
Yes, yes.
We met actually through currently involved in. So when
Okay.
this is what I'm doing with Texila, and I explained
Okay.
how the program is being run. So he
Okay.
was actually impressed, and he decided also to do the MPH program because it is a very good, important requirement for his professional development.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes.
So that's wonderful because I have seen most of your referrals will be from other countries, and I think you will be speaking with them only. Few topics. I mean, few words about TAU. But if you see, everyone will be a potential candidate. Whatever students you are referring,
Everyone
definitely
could be
they
a
will be
potential
enrolling.
candidate.
Yes, yes,
You are
yes.
right. If we have
And
started
also,
integrating.
you will be referring only the potential candidates, because that is nice of you. Because if you see, some will be sharing so many students, but whatever you refer, a single person, that also will be a potential student. So that is nice of
Yes,
you. And
that's
how
true.
you get that? Because if you see, most of them, they can speak about TAU, and they can, but if you see, you are just visualizing the images to everyone in front of them, because they are not seeing any website, and they are not seeing about TAU, but having your words, they are enrolling. So what is the
Yes.
magic about that?
I think it's only one of my colleagues actually in Guinea-Bissau who could not
Uh-huh.
join, and also one guy from Gambia. But that one, I think, is because he's very busy. He is
Uh-huh.
taking a global fund program. So, and but the other one from Bissau also, I think, is because of the environment. That's why he could not actually join. But
Okay, okay.
as I said, if I had not joined,
Uh-huh.
today I wouldn't be having my master's. Regret that the time have gone and I did not actually do anything meaningful with regards
Exactly.
to my academic development.
That's wonderful. That wonderful. So thank you so much, Mr. Famara. Keep supporting us, okay? As always, you do.
Yes.
And definitely, we hope we can get lot of other country students as well. And because most of them, the students you have referred from other countries like Sierra Leone, and also for different programs, not only for public health. You have referred for master degree in business administration, and so many
Yes.
programs. There will be also a differentiation in programs. Not only you
Mhm.
will be supporting in a same program, but you will be supporting us in taking a candidates from different programs as well. Thank you so much
Yes.
once again for participating in this. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Yeah,
It's a
thank
pleasure.
you.